Hi, hello. In this video, we are going to install Ubuntu on Windows 10 or any other Windows as a standalone or virtual machine as a Microsoft Store from Microsoft Store. Okay, first we will go to Ubuntu website. You can find the latest version here, Ubuntu 20.10. Click it. Then select Ubuntu desktop. Then Ubuntu desktop, you will see here, this is the latest stable version. This is the latest version. It is with the security options. In this one, this is for direct desktop operating system, direct desktop PC laptops. You can download it here. We are already downloaded. You can also use torrent downloads. Then what are the other ways you can use? Install Ubuntu as virtual machine. If you click it here, you can run without installation for Windows or Mac OS or whatever the instance you can use it. Here is the virtual machine installation methods. If you click download multipass for Windows, it will be downloaded here. Then you can install it. The second one, here you can see Ubuntu on Windows from Microsoft Store. Here, how to run it. Here you can see using Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. Then install Ubuntu. This is Microsoft Store. Then run Ubuntu. From using Microsoft Store, you can run Ubuntu and setup. So this is for Microsoft Store installation. This is Microsoft Store we are told. Now we are going to for standalone installation. Standalone installation, go back. Go to VMware. VMware, it's open source and freely available VMware. And if you want to higher version, you can go for VMware Pro, Workstation Pro. Now we will go to VMware. Click download now. It will open. It will Workstation Pro. This will comes under 30 days free trial. This is the paid version. You can go with the VMware free version, that is VMware Player. Here you can see the all the versions of VMware. Here we will select the VMware Player. Here I will show you VMware. Here you can see the list of downloads available. Go here, free products downloads. Here you can see Workstation Player. This is the VMware Player. If you want a paid version, this is a trial and demo. Here you can see the Workstation Pro. So first we will go to the you will see that Workstation Player. Workstation Player will look like this. This is Workstation Player for free only. You can try it for forever for single user, not for commercial use. If you wanted to go for higher version, commercial version, go to this trial version, Workstation Pro. This Workstation Pro comes with 30 days trial. So now we are going to download it, Workstation for Windows. Download now, this one. So after downloading it, install it. So we are installed already VMware Workstation Pro. So we will going to open it. This is VMware Workstation Pro. Now you can install the virtual machine. Now if you already installed means it will come here, open virtual machine. Here nothing is displayed, so now VM is installed. So install it, create virtual machine. So it will typical and select the disk already downloaded Ubuntu. You can choose, this is the Ubuntu we are already downloaded. It is 2.73 GB. So select ISO file it is. Then click install. And then select virtual machine name and select the location. You choose whatever the folder you want. So we are chosen here Ubuntu. We already created this folder, so selected. Make sure it is nothing is there in that folder, and then select single disk, single file. It will be speed up because here already mentioned may reduce performance with a very large disk for split version. So make it single, then click next. Power on this virtual machine after creation. If you want, you can select after that also. It is already as per your disk space. You can modify its what is the hard disk required, memory required, and other core required. So you can modify these two, hard disk capacity and memory capacity, by clicking this customize hardware. You can change it here. What is the memory as per your already inbuilt memory RAM? You can modify. If your computer is having maximum memory, this is the maximum memory this computer is has. So only you can allot this much. You can go up to this 13.4 GB, but you have to think about other system also running. So like this processor, you can select number of core processor, what how much you want, and file size, everything. Where is the location? This is the location. This is not the location. This is for that OS location. Okay, close it. Then click finish. It will start installing. Now power on this. Here you can see that test memory and OEM install. Now click just first one, Ubuntu. If you are not clicking also, it will take automatically after some 19-18 seconds. Even if you click also, it will take same time. Now it is started installing. Meanwhile, you can also check what are the folders it is installing by going to this folder. So 11 items it is there now. Now only installation is going to start. Install Ubuntu. Continue keyboard. You can select install third-party software also. Here you can download, update, installing Ubuntu, normal installation, minimal installation. Erase the disk. Install now. Continue. Nothing will happen with the erasing because that is the folder you are selected. That this is the folder. This is the folder. It will erase and install. Now you can name it computer and give password. Next, continue. Now it is started installing. We will check manual folder what is how many files, same 11 files is there. Now you can see this folder na, that will be gone after installing. And now restart. Now I restart well only this virtual machine, not the Windows 10. Now you have to remove the disk from the installation part. Before that, mouse will not work. Then you press Control Alt to release the mouse. Now it will come. Then go to that folder and then go back and then click this and then copy and paste somewhere wherever you want. Now go to this. Then click I finished installing. Then press enter. Now this is the new version of Ubuntu. Here lot of updates are there. That means you can install the applications like Windows. You can log in also with online accounts. You can skip it now. Send a system to Canonical. That is they're using next privacy. Yes, you can see here. You can use the software to install apps like this. You can install the apps by with single click. Any apps you want, you can install. Done. To install afterwards the apps, you go to here. Here you can see the apps list. You can search and install also. Before no, this is only for search to select these apps. Suppose if you want to Ubuntu software, click this. There is a software update, that also you can click install now. That will be installed here. You can see here that is going here. It will be installed. Okay, let us come to this. This is how application search. You can find the applications here. Whatever the application you can install like Windows. Here you can see the categories. If you want, you can search here. Anything you can search and you can install. No need to use terminal like sudo apt sudo install. It is easy in nowadays to install. Also you can see the installed versions here, and update is there. If anything update like this, here you can see the update is completed. The software on this is completed, up to date. So like this you can install apps, whatever the apps you want. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.